Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tasha and I missed you guys so much. If you're new here, I want to say welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, I want to say welcome back. And today we're going to be just basically having a girl chat. We'll be talking about some real life ish. I want to explain to you guys where I've been, why I ain't been posting.
You guys like, comment, and subscribe, and if you don't do it now, do it by the end of this video, because I'm gonna be bringing a whole bunch of new content, more content about me, and I just want to let you guys know what you can expect to see from this channel from now on. Yeah, so that's pretty much what we're gonna do. I definitely do want to hear from you guys what you guys want to see. I realize that you guys don't like vlogs, so I've decided
I'm going to do sit down videos from now on, and then I'm also going to do mostly like hair videos and story times. That's pretty much what I'm going to do here. I may here and there do some pranks and challenges. However, it's just me and my son. I live alone.
Hey y'all, so today I'm going to be doing a video basically putting on a wig that I made. It's looking crusty right now, but we're about to rejuvenate this thing, and this is how it looks on the inside. I made this wig, so that's why it doesn't look proper and stuff. But make sure you guys don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I know it's been a minute, and we're about to get right into that right now. So yeah, it's been about 4 or 5 months since I think I need to zoom in a little bit. Zoom in. Am I close enough? Yeah, anyway, so it's been about 4 or 5 months since I have recorded a video, and the reason behind that is I'm about to tell y'all. For one, this right here, what I'm doing right here, y'all, this right here, like just making content, y'all, is my passion, okay? And it's my passion, and I was just been making excuses. There's been so many things getting in the way as to why I haven't made a video. There's plenty of reasons why I haven't made a video, but it all boils down to what I'm about to tell y'all. So if y'all hear my son in the background and a little bit of TV, hopefully it's not he's not watching YouTube, because I'm not trying to be copyrighted, but whatever. I'm not monetized anyway, so really it wouldn't matter, right? Anywho, so I have not put out a video in a while because it's just been a lot going on. As you guys know, we live in America, quarantine, right? So I, however, have went back to work, and it's just been a really difficult to just, I don't know, it's just been difficult for me to like balance everything. I'm in school, and honestly, y'all, that shit is stressful, okay? Being a student in general is stressful, so just being a student and a mother and working is stressful as hell. But one thing that I'm gonna start doing is I gotta stop making excuses. At the end of the day, I don't want to be working this job I have forever, right? So with that being said, I have to find ways to, you know, better, you know, manage my time. And yeah, so that's just pretty much why I haven't, it's big, because my head is big, y'all. I have to find ways that I can basically manage my time better. I need to pull my cat back a little bit because it's giving white, and I'm not white, okay? So
Don't mind my extra.
Because guys, my channel just needs rebranding, okay? It needs rebranding. My videos have been all over the place, and I've come to the decision that I will no longer be doing vlogs. I will no longer be doing vlog style, because it's not working. My audience doesn't like that. All 356 of you have made it very super clear that y'all don't like vlogs. I mean, nobody said it, but I noticed when I put up vlogs, y'all don't watch them, so yeah. But anyways, I haven't posted a video, quarantine, right? I get off topic, y'all. I'm a little ADHD. So, because it's just been a lot, like trying to manage everything. And I feel like I've just pretty much been making excuses. Not only that, I get distracted super easily. If you guys see me looking over, it's because I am looking in the mirror, excuse me. And yeah, so it's just been a lot. I want to like rebrand my channel, and this is just one of the ways I feel like I should start. So I pretty much just want to, I'm gonna install this wig, but I pretty much want to rebrand my channel because I feel like it's all over the place, and I feel like I finally found what I want to do with my channel, and I want you guys to know what you guys can expect from here on out. Disclaimer, I'm gonna let y'all know right now, a schedule like every single whatever, that's probably not gonna happen. Like, you know, every Sunday or whatever, that's probably not gonna happen. However, I will start to be more consistent. I know I always say that, but I really want this, y'all, like hard. I really want this, and I'm like so motivated, you know what I'm saying? And what better time than to start now? I kept telling myself like, I'm gonna start doing YouTube videos, you know, 2020, then 2020 is basically damn near gone, and so many things have happened, and I'm just like, I want to do it. Like, I want to do it. And what better time to do it now? And I've been saying like, oh, 2021 is gonna be my year, but it's just like, why not start now? I know it's the end of 2020, but it's not over. So I'm like, I want this so bad, you know what I'm saying? Like, I want to do YouTube, I want to connect with other people, and I feel like I gotta stop being ashamed of my story. Like, there's been so many good and great video ideas that I've had, but because of fear, I haven't done them. You know what I mean? So, yeah. Yep, that's pretty much what the issue is. Fear, right? I put some curls in here, just some loose curls, just so they can give it some body or whatever. Overwhelmed with being a mom because, bruh, like right now I'm doing a video, you know, today was pretty much all about Elijah. Well, just like every other day, it's always all about Elijah, right? And he wanted to go to the park. I did that. He wanted to, we played games earlier, but he did laundry, he played with toys, he watched TV, you know, typical things, right? And it seems like, sometimes it just seems like kids are never happy. Like, oh my God. It seems like they're never happy. Like, I don't fucking know. I don't know, y'all. Let me know down in the comments if y'all ever feel like this. And it's just like, oh my God, like right now he's crying. What he wanted for lunch, I gave it to him, and I'm not even gonna edit this out because it's really no point. It's real, whatever. I try to be transparent and real on my channel. I don't be trying to fake shit because people be on here, everything just be whatever. They be acting like their kids don't have bad days, and they be acting like every day is a good day. Okay. But yeah, like it's draining being a single mom. Oh my God, it's draining as hell being a single mother. Thinking people aren't gonna watch me, and at the end of the day, the views are gonna come to me anyway. You know what I'm saying? Whoever wants to watch me is gonna watch me. Whoever like me is gonna like me for me. I don't gotta try to be like nobody, and I don't gotta, you know, worry about who's not gonna like me, because whoever don't like me, they just gonna not subscribe and probably not come back. So yes, I don't know, yo, I'm just rambling. I don't know what y'all think, if y'all can catch the drift of what I'm trying to say, but I'm just ready. And I really want to know what you guys think. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you go ahead and do that. Also, like this video. Like this video so I can bring more traffic. Because, yeah. So I'm about to tell y'all a little story back. I'm gonna give y'all a little backstory on why I decided to do YouTube. And it's because of a YouTuber. She's like a very YouTuber now. When I first started watching her, I guess you could say she was a smaller YouTuber. I started watching her. Her name is, her channel is All Things Micah and Beauty. And I love her. She is so pretty. And at the time, like, I started watching her because I can relate to her. So I'm gonna come back to that in a second, which is why I went to do YouTube. But I started watching her, and her content was so relatable. You know, at the time, she was a single mom of one. Our children are around the same age. She was a single mom of one, and she was just like, I just love watching her content. I love watching how relatable her and her sister are. And I just love her. Like, her name is All Things Micah and Beauty, and I'll link her videos. I'll link her channel down in the description box. She has great content. Now she's a mom of 2 with a cute little baby boy. He's so cute. I think he's so cute. And you know, it's just that, like, at this time when I first started watching her, we were in the same, not the same stage, but like, you know, I was just aspiring, like, oh my gosh, I love her. Like, I love the way her vibe on camera is so great. It looked like it was fun. And I had no idea people got paid from YouTube at that time. This was in 2017. But I started doing it like, hey, I want to do this too. Like, this seems cool. Like, this seems fun. And then I started doing it. I started like getting into editing and all that stuff. And I just got so happy. And like, then I realized, like, this is something I'm passionate about. I love to do this. Like, oh my gosh, y'all, like, I'm about to, I don't even want to get emotional, because if y'all know, like, to overcome the shit that to overcome the stuff, I don't want to keep cussing, I'm sorry, but overcome the things that I've overcome in life, that's a YouTube channel in itself, okay? And like I said before, I don't want to, you know, I want to be able to help somebody, you know what I'm saying? I want to be able to help somebody, and I want to also build opportunities, and, you know, for myself, and opportunities for other people who don't even know that they can do this. There's some people out here who probably feel like, oh, it's too hard, it's too this. It's not. I mean, it is hard. Let me not say it's easy. It's hard in a way, but it's not. If you try, your content might not be the best in the beginning, but you learn. You realize that you know what I'm saying? You realize that it's possible if you just try. You might not get popping views, thousands of views in the beginning like me. I don't have a lot of views for real, but some people watch my stuff. And the ones that do, I really appreciate it. I really do. Like, I really appreciate it. People give me their feedback. And I always read my comments, and I always respond to my comments. But I wanted to do YouTube because of her. I just like loved it. Like, she would do her wigs, and you know, she would do her little mommy stuff, and she would do like weekly vlogs, and people are really into that like, for her. You know what I'm saying? I'm not saying copy off someone, but you know, yeah. So everyone, I just want you guys to know that is the reason why. I just was like, oh my gosh, this is something I can do. Like, it was fun. I like sitting in front of the camera. And not only that, y'all, as y'all can see, I talk super fast, and I love to talk. So I was like, why not? Like, this is fun. Why not? This seems so much fun. And for some people, it's not fun because they have a lot of drama and everything, and relationships and all that stuff. So I don't have any of that going on over here. So it's pretty much going to be the same old, same old. But I feel like somebody's going to be able to connect with my story. So that's pretty much it, y'all. The current YouTuber that I watch now, I love her too. She's a baddie. Like, she is a baddie. Okay? She's a baddie. So I'm going to put her channel in the description too, because y'all, I'm going to put y'all into some game. Y'all want some motivation? Watch Kyra. Y'all want some motivation? Watch Kyra. And I'm not talking about like, her new videos, yeah, but I've been watching her for some time, and she's definitely someone who inspires me to keep going and to so I can reach lives, and not for the glamour or anything, but just definitely because I want people to comment on my videos and say, hey, oh my gosh, this happened to me too, or I've gone through this too, and just you know. Okay, so that is the end of this video. I just want to say thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.